Hey guys, welcome to C++ programming tutorial. I am Ripan Dotto. This is a series of C++ programming tutorial from beginners to advanced level. Now I am going to discuss about variable and data type. So let's get started. First of all, variables. When you declare a variable in C++, you ask the system for a piece of memory to hold the data. You can give this memory a name and you can store value in that memory. The name of a variable is known as identifier. You can give any name to a variable, but as long as it is a valid identifier. So here are some example: integer x, integer y, integer a, b, c, character c. These are variables. Valid variable name. Variable name consists of letter, alphabets and start with underscore character. First character of variable name should always be alphabet and cannot be digit. In a variable name, blank spaces are not allowed. Special characters like pound sign, dollar sign are not allowed. A single variable name can only be declared in a program one time. As C++ is case sensitive language, so we can declare a variable name x and capital X, uh, but these are two different variables. C++ has contained keywords which cannot be used for variable name like integer int, return, main. Although main is not a keyword, but you cannot use this um, method name or function name as a variable name. A variable name can be consist of 31 characters long. If you declare a variable name more than 31 characters, compiler will ignore after 31 characters. Here are some variable data type. Bool. Boolean value, it can be true or false. Size 1 byte. Character or a small integer. In this case, one size. Size is one size. Signed -1 to 1 -128 to 127, or unsigned 0 to 20 to 55. Short integer or only short, 2 byte. This is the range. Wide character, integer, long integer, float, double, long double. So now let's get started with Eclipse. Alright, now declare a variable integer x equal 100. So x is a valid variable with integer data type. So we can print x . 100. Now let's say 1x, but 1x is not a valid variable name, so we'll get error message. Error exists, a required project continue no. So 1x is not a valid identifier or variable name. You can use x1. This is a valid variable name. Alright. Similarly, you can declare character C. Run the project. 100, and he is now waiting for your character. For example, P. This is the P. Okay, Then we can have float variable type. For example, f equal 5.256. So cout f 5.256, and this is 100 for integer value. Okay, so if you declare or take input larger than its range, then what will be happen? For example, for a short integer x, the maximum value is 32,757. So it's valid in this case. Okay, so we can add ant line, so it will be better to look at. So if you declare more than 32,000, for example 42,000, in this case what will happen? Value should not be correct. Yeah, you are getting wrong value because you are exceeding the limit. So in the data type you have to know. So in the data type you have to know the range before using data type. Now let's say another variable integer sum equal to x1 plus f. Suppose x1 equal to 32 and f equal to 5.5. Then print out sum. Alright, there is an error. What is this? Yeah, semicolon. 37, 32 plus 5.5, 32 plus 5.5 equal to 37. Why? Because x1 is a integer value where f1 is a float value. So whenever we are adding these two values, answer should be a floating point number. So in this case, instead of using floating point number, I am using integer value. That's why the fractional value is cut up. So it should be float. Now you will get the correct answer, 37.5. So you have to take care about this. Now you will be able to declare your variable using appropriate data type. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and share this video, and feel free to make a comment in the comment box. So see you soon in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.